We're at the Met. It's pretty cool. My parents have been wanting me to come here for a while, so we made it. We're here. Let me show you the cool stuff. How did they get all of this stuff here that's here? Like, I can't imagine a guy just like, all right, well, that's just cool. I'm gonna take it to America. See you later. Buy a sword now. Those are so cool. That is so cool. Guess what's in here? Alright guys, I'm gonna get Instagram famous now. I got the book. Let's see if it works. This place is awesome. There's like so much stuff. You can't even see it all if you were here like the whole day. Crazy. The Met was actually really cool. What do you think about it? It was awesome. There's just so much like, why is it blurry? Is it blurry? There's just so much stuff, and it was like, we couldn't even see it all if we wanted to. But very cool. If you're in New York, come here. It was only $12 for us. I mean, because we're students. Well, I'm a student. He's just he's a bum. I mean, online. Guys, it's only fair that it rained in New York while we were here because, you know, it's rained every single place we've gone to. So I'm actually glad it's raining. I just feel like it had to because it's done it everywhere else. We took a little pit stop to Grand Central Station because we wanted to check it out. Look at how cool this is. It's very cool in here, and the architecture is awesome, and yeah, I don't know, it's cool to say I've been here. Subway, so stressful. I hate it, actually. It's just like figuring out where you need to go, and like there's so many. I can't explain it. I can't explain it until you've done it. Also, it's raining, of course. Still. Let's go. Okay. Alright, well, camera's gotta go under my shirt so it doesn't get wet, so see you guys later. No offense to all the New Yorkers out there, but anytime it rains, like even just a sprinkle, like it wasn't even raining earlier and people whipped out their umbrellas immediately. Everyone has umbrellas here. In Oregon, not really many people, like we're just used to the rain. It's like not that big of a deal. It's just some rain, like, I don't know, it's just funny to me. Dumplings and noodles for dinner. Yummy.
Why are we still recording?